freezing in here. What's the temperature out there anyway?
Only 22 degrees.
Yeah, and we have to go to Amphenol to film for What's So Cool About Manufacturing today.
This is Amphenol, and they make sensors we use in everyday life. The whole sensor process starts in the mixer where the raw materials are stored. These mills make sure the raw ingredients become a mixture usable to make sensors. Then, this homogeneous mix is pressed in a machine to make small thermistors. After they're done being pressed, the small, fragile thermistors go to this oven to be sintered. Once they're sintered, they're then coated in a mixture of glass and silver in a machine like a screen printer. This machine sets the diameter for the thermistor to make sure it's the ideal resistance for the part. The next stop is the air room, where thermistors are sorted based on resistance. This is the air sorter, and this is the oil sorter. They both use air and oil respectively to make sure the parts are perfect for the job. Now we go to the wire machine, where the small thermistors are soldered onto wires. Then the parts are coated in epoxy and twisted up for strength. Now the parts split up. Some parts might go to this machine, while others go onto this machine. At the different machines, they make different parts. For example, these parts go in the car engines. Meanwhile, the other machine makes sensors for cars that tell you the temperature inside. Cars just like the van we drove to Amphenol in. This display case shows just how many sensors for different applications Amphenol manufactures.
So
Amphenol is what's so cool about manufacturing!